Hi Julia, what's here? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a play with the Florascript collection, and I've got an idea in my head. I don't know if it's going to work, but I thought we'd give it a go and just see. So we're going to be using the Florascript in Bloom Paraphernalia and an A6 card, as I've said. You'll find the products over on my website juliawattscraft.co.uk and also over at honeypotcraft.co.uk. And yeah, let's crack on and let's see if this works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So A6 card, we're going to go for this Scotch low tap tape again, and I'm going to mask off down here. Should we do it this way? Should we do that orientation? That's the thing. I could do that orientation. That might be fun. See, I thought I knew what I was doing, but I've changed my mind. As I've changed my mind several times before I even started the video. I've got a dirty mark there. So we'll turn it over that way. Do it that side. Let's think. Shall I do it this way? Yeah, let's do it this way. This is what we're going to do. Trying to think about what I want to do and what's going to happen. That's too small as well. A little bit. Right, so we're going to mask off down here, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mask off like a triangle. Well, it will be a triangle, but not a kind of normal triangle, just triangle-ish, like so. And then I'm also going to, I think, put a piece of tape top to bottom of the triangle as well. Okay, so that's the point. And so this is a smaller area than that, but it'd be fine. It'll all come. I know what's in my brain, and I'm going to see if it works. Hopefully that is the bottom of the card. Yes, it is. Let's make sure we do it the right way up first. Right, so let's see. Oh, we've still got Honey Pot Crafts on there. You have to buy there as well. You have to buy from me. Right, let's stop getting carried away and concentrate, Julia. So mustard seed distress ink. So we're going to pop some mustard seed distress ink in this gap here, like so. This might look awful, but who knows? It might be worth. It might be my new favourite thing that I do to death. So mustard seed. Then we are going to take away that middle one. Anyone take away the middle one? Oh, let's grab it here. You can see we've got a nice clean line there. Then I'm going to grab, hang on, I'm thinking. Don't want to do that. Yeah, let's grab Spice Marmalade, and I'm not going to mask that off there, and there will be a merging of colours in the gap. It's not watercolour card, so the colour doesn't move quite as nicely as it does if I'd have used a piece of watercolour card and folded it in half. Hopefully you can see a difference. Although I might, let me just grab carved pumpkin instead. Carved pumpkin's darker than Spice Marmalade. It's brighter, so I think that will suit it better. Oh, I can already tell it's better. We have got a slight line in the middle, which is fine. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. I think it's doing what I want it to do. So let's take away this masking tape now, because we don't need it anymore. And we've got a lovely, neat, triangle-ish shape. Okay. So that's cool. Where am I going with this? I don't know. Let's just tidy up, make sure we've not got, because I don't want to get any ink on my white card. Okie dokie. So let's go into our stamping platform now. Oh, I've got tape stuck to the bottom of it. I've had it perched on the edge of the bin, which is probably not a good idea. Well, you know, my room's a mess. What can I say? It's one of those distressing, so this will be a completely flat card that you can post as a large letter. I think it's important nowadays with the postage costs. And somebody told me that they're doing away with second class, or second class isn't going to be delivered every day or processed every day, which is annoying. So yeah, we're going to use one of these stamps here. You could use the Beautiful Blooms as well. And I'm thinking I might use this one again. I mean, you could put it in there, which is quite nice. I do like it in there, actually. That actually looks quite fabulous. And then we can just have a sentiment here. So it would be very clean and simple. Let's do that. Let's do that. And then, here's the real cool thing. You don't have to colour it in, because the ink does not move very well on this card blank, as I discovered. Let's just check, see whether that script is nice and straight. Yep. Okie-dokie. I think we're good. Super quick, this. Ink. There we go. I'm getting carried away now. I could have used pine cone, actually. That would have been nice with these colours. You can mess around with the shapes and make all sorts of different shapes. I did do another video, which I think went live yesterday, where I've just done a couple of borders as well. I know that when I did the Charm 2 collection, a few of you commented that it was nice to see A6 cards. And I think this stem might be more or less where the join was, but it might not be. It doesn't matter anyway. Look at that! Doesn't that look cool? I'm loving that. I love it when a plan comes together. Just wipe the ink off that. And we'll grab a sentiment. Now, I'm going to just use one of the sentiments from the new Just Saying Rustic. I mean, you could have like a, let's do it. Instead of saying you could have, let's just do it. Because we've got some kind of silhouette bees in the set. So we could have a silhouette bee coming along. Should we? Have a silhouette bee coming along? Let me have a look. It's hard to tell because it's not black. I feel like I need another one as well. Is there a smaller one? No, that is the smallest one. Or maybe we'll stamp one twice. Let's just do it. If it messes it up, you know, it messes it up. It's only a piece of card. all over my fingers. The worst thing will be if I now get inky marks on it, which drive me around the twist. Do I like that? We could have one down here as well. There's a bit of acetate. There's a bit of acetate. I'll just use this. So if you're using something that's already got ink on it, use a piece of acetate to position it, and then you don't get that ink on your card. It's just nice to use some of the embellishment stamps as well. There we go. That's fine. Happy with that. I did like it as it was before as well. So, you know, your choice is yours, isn't it? And do what you like. You could go completely overboard and embellish it within an inch of its life as well. But let's just have a sentiment on here. Is that dirty mark now? I've done that the right way up. Let's find a sentiment. Let's have a look. These are quite small ones, but they're bigger in real life. This is the Words of Inspiration sentiments. So I like that, sending sunshine your way. That kind of fits in with the colour scheme, doesn't it? Let's have that one. I need to have it straight though, which is very difficult to tell when you have got a clean stamp. I said it before, dirty stamps are your friend. I know Phil disagrees completely, but I like a dirty stamp. Oh, how did I not get that top bit? Ah, I see. That's better. Sending sunshine your way. There we go. Let's just fold that up so you can see. Here's our card. I'll show you closer. It's cool, isn't it? And remember, it stands up and everything. So I hope you've enjoyed that. A little bit of fun really on how to use your stamps. You'll find them over on my website, juliawattscrafts.co.uk, and also over at Honeypot Crafts as well. Don't forget you can do this in lots of different shapes. Do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I do love to read your comments, and thank you for watching.